homage to one of our favorite channels, Fluffy Jet Productions. It's always been one of my daughter's favorite egg opening ones, and we saw recently they had, was it a baby Ernie?
Yeah.
Surrounded by some rainbow Play-Doh balls. So we kind of decided to do baby Elmo, and we did a ball and some stars just to kind of change it up a little bit. So you want to open them up?
Yeah.
All right, which one do you want to start with?
This one.
All right, our kind of rainbow ball. Let's see what's inside.
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Wow, what flavor do you think that is?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
And it even comes apart.
Oh, that's nice that you can take it apart.
Yeah.
So when they're all done, you can take it off. All done. Nice. That's a nice blue ice cream. I kind of think it might be blue raspberry flavored. It's blue.
Yeah.
What do you want to open up next?
The pink one.
Okay.
A princess spinning thing. This is what it is.
Nice. Who's on it?
Tiana and Rapunzel.
Nice. Here, can I see? Can I have a try?
Yeah.
That's a princess top here with, as Disney Kid said, Rapunzel and Tiana. Let's give it a spin. Wow. Okay, I didn't think it was going to spin that good. All right, which one should we do next?
Don't.
A little bit of blue on it too. What's in that one?
Superman.
Superman.
He's my favorite superhero.
Of all time?
Yeah.
What's your favorite superpower that he has?
My favorite power, I don't know.
Oh, that's okay. I like that he can fly. I wish I could fly.
I mean, I don't like
Really fun. All right, which one do you want to open up next?
this one. Princess Anna.
Oh yeah, and she's in her coronation dress for Queen Elsa's coronation. Take a good look at her. Wow, she's really pretty. I like her dress. Do you like this dress the best that she wears?
Yeah.
Or the one she wears to go find Elsa?
The one that doesn't look like different Elsa.
Yeah, I like the cape on that one. All right.
The blue one.
Our last star, it's a blue star.
A puppy.
Ooh, it's a puppy. I don't know what kind of puppy that is. If you know, tell us in the comments. I'm not much of a dog encyclopedia. I don't know all of the different kinds of dogs. There's so many. So if you know, let us know in the comments. And let's check out all of our stuff. Oh, and the ice cream is rolling away. I guess Superman wants some of that. Don't forget to eat your veggies too, Superman, so you can grow big and strong, right?
Right.
Alright, so we got Princess Anna in her coronation outfit. A cute little puppet. Some yummy ice cream. Superman and a princess spinning top. What was your favorite, Disney Kid?
I think,
Princess Anna. She's very pretty. Now let's see if we can get Elmo to sneeze. You're supposed to push his nose, but it doesn't always work.
Mommy, I think it needs new batteries, I think.
Oh, it might. Oh, there he goes. He's cute. I like his little blanket.
Don't try.
Oh, it's tricky. Alright, well thanks everybody for watching today. We have so much fun making these. I hope somebody out there enjoys watching them because we just love making them. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!
Bye.